Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing our brand new heat press.
Eastside Badness. Eastside Business. So business, isn't it?
So it looks like it's...
So they give us like two shirts,
they gave us 2
test.
sample shirts to press. So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox everything, and then we'll be back. Machine, and he's setting it up. He's adding a little handle on it so we can adjust the height. There's a moth in here. So basically, look out for our merchandise. It's coming soon. Well, the bandanas are already out there. So we're going to offer a lot more stuff. Trinket holders, mugs. Lots of stuff, guys. Look out for it. Guys, so like I was saying, basically, we are going to be offering a lot of different merchandise. We're going to have custom shirts with nice designs and patterns. For some of you, you may already know we have bandanas, Velcro backed bandanas for sale. Basically, this is what it looks like. If anyone is interested in these bandanas, you can DM me for more information on Instagram. I'm going to put the link below for my Instagram because they are for sale and we do have a lot of patterns to choose from. So yeah, aside from that, we're going to have a lot of other neat things that I think everyone would enjoy. Anyways guys, it's getting late. If you want to follow along with us as we try to expand our brand, then don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll know when we post. I know this video wasn't too exciting, but there's way more to come, guys. Anyway, see you later.